Okay, guys, we're going back. So here we are on the pricing channel, down pricing channel. We already explained everything about the pricing channel, and we go after. After that, we will find rectangle. The rectangle here, just a minute. Separated. Okay. So the rectangle here, as you see, it's like a support and resistance of the price. Okay.
So
Here.
this is the sideways curve, right, Mohammed?
Sorry?
This is the sideways curve, right?
Sideways curve or rectangle is the same.
Ah, okay.
Okay. So it's like a resistance and support for the price. And we made it like a triangle. So the same like pricing channel, the same like triangle, the price starting to move between this support and resistance. And after he have to break from one side. For example, here he broke from down and then it's starting to move. As I told you, all the price actions that I say, I don't like to trade inside. Okay, very little time I trade inside when it's strongly, for example, a strong trend. For example, the general trend is up and I know that it's a strong position to go up with the price, for example, so I go in one side only sometimes, and the rest of the time we wait till the broken time and the retest, and then we going with the price down. To trade also, like I said, on the triangle, to know how much take profit point that I have to stop. For example, I measure the distance between support and resistance inside the rectangle. And for example, if it's 40 BEP or 50 BEP, 95% the price have to go down for the same or more. Yani if it's 40 BEP, so I put 40 BEP take profit, and as you see the price going more than 40 BEP, but anyway we're going like 40 BEP and as a take profit. Our stop loss will be inside the triangle here, for example. So in case of the retest, I will not close my trade. Okay. All right. So this is the rectangle. Also interesting pattern, the double top and the double bottom. Okay, it's very easy one. As you see, a double top here. Also on the chart, you will find a double top. Okay, and a double bottom. Two bottoms coming after each other, and two tops here on this case. On this case, for example, we have a neckline. The line, this line, we call it a neckline. It's like two tops, and here is the neckline of the two top. Like this is a head, and this is the neckline. If the price crossing this neckline, the price is crossing this neckline here, so he will go down. And the same on the double bottom. Here is the neckline. The price crossing this neckline, making a retest, and then going up. Some people, we call it M and W. So M, it means the price will going down. W means the price will raise up. Okay, so you call it or you see it as you like. You see it like M and W, you see it double bottom and double tops. It's belong to you. But anyway, you have to know that double top, breaking the neckline down, double bottom, breaking the neckline up. And here we have one of the...
Can I ask you something, Mohammed? Why in this double MNW, the entry is a little bit more upper or lower than the
Sorry,
neck?
one more time, please.
Why the entry of the trade a little bit lower or upper in both cases of neckline?
Because I can't go from here, because I don't know it will really broke the neckline or not. It have to broke the neckline and give me a full, for example, 4-hour candle down to be sure it's already broke. And after it, sometimes it's make a retest a lot of times. So I have to wait for the retest.
They're waiting.
And then, yes, and then give me a full candle down, because sometimes the price is not like on the draw. On the chart is a little different. Sometimes it's going a little up and then up again. No problem. So I have to be sure that I have, for example, at least 4-hour candle is closed under this line.
Okay.
All right, here is, I think this is the last pattern we have. Head and shoulders. This head, this here is not head and shoulders, sorry. It could be also a double top number 1, top number 2, but this is from the chart, you see? This is not draw, this is from the chart. So here is top, and there is the neckline. This is how you draw the neckline. Okay, so I draw the neckline, I wait for the price to broke. I didn't go from here. I wait, the price is retesting, and then he give me a full signal, you see? A full signal.
Yes, I see now.
This is,
yeah.
Yes, okay. The price is raising up again, going down, down. So here you find that sometimes the price is not like on the draws, not like it's a price. You cannot control every movement of the price. So you see here, for example, after that, a lot of people going down. Yes, they sell from here. After closing of this candle, they start to sell. And after they start to sell, and after the people start to sell the price is up again. And a lot of people is losing money here because they put the stop lose here, for example, on this place. And you see, is taking the stop lose and then going down. So the price make you lose. Sorry?
Yeah, one question. So if someone wants to sell, for example, he can wait until there is the third one where it's like the bearish gulfing. So it's a sign that he can start to sell, for example, and make.
You mean the third candle after broke?
لا يعني not the third candle, the third pair.
I don't understand what does mean the third pair.
Third top. Or what?
No, I think she means the fifth bearish one to the right of the line, entry line on the right. If you count 1, 2, 3, like fifth, the third bearish is the red one. It's a little bit shorter than where you are right now. The next one to the right, that's one. That bearish.
This one. This
so
could be a sign that I could sell, for example.
No, but how I know? You know, Eleonora, when I start to trade, I have double top. I wait for the neckline to be broke. It's a strategy, right? Okay, the neckline is broken here, and then it's retest, and then the price starts to go down. Normally, the price have to go down and not making these two candles. Normal.
Okay.
But on this case, it's making two candles up and making a lot of people losing the trade.
Okay.
Because a lot of people going from here sell and making the stop loss here. And as you see, the price is going raising up, hitting the stop loss, close my trade, lose of course, and going on the same way that I expect. This, it could be a market maker, it could be something else, but this learn us a very important lesson. This place, that any trade, any single trade I go, I have to get my risk management. I have to be careful of my money. Even I am very sure that the price will be down, I have to go with a good contract according to my capital and making a good risk management. Even I will lose, it's no problem. Sometimes I have to lose. Nobody win all the time. So if I go, for example, here and I say, yes, I am sure it's a double top, it's a neck line, it's broken, and now retesting. Now I go and I go with a high risk. The price give me big shit. Closing my contract with a lose. Okay. So always please be sure of your risk management and be sure of your contract, and always count how many pips you will lose before you counting how many pips you will win. Okay?
Okay.
Good. All right. Here also a double bottom from the chart. As you see, one bottom, second bottom, and then the price is going like crazy. You see here is a little different. On the first, here you see the price making this, making retest and going down, and then like say fool everybody and going up again. But here the price is starting to broke, he can't, starting to broke, he can't. This is also give me a signal when he tried to broke the line that more times, it gives me a signal that soon this line will be broke. So, and when he when he broke you see, he broke it with, I think it's a news candle. It's a candle according some news. So he broke it like crazy, okay, and going up. So double bottom and broken neck. Here is the last pattern we have. It's head and shoulders. I like this so much. I like to trade with this pattern, really, with this price action. So here is one top, a higher top, and the third top, yani almost on the same level of the first. The second top is higher. First and third, almost the same line. And it gives us a pattern like head and shoulders, two shoulders here.
I think this is very common, right?
This is for example, I like this pattern. I like head and shoulders. I like when I find to trade with head and shoulders. So it's the same neckline, waiting for broken the neckline, for example here, retesting, and here we go. Here's a kind of head and shoulders on the chart, as you see. Here is the shoulder, the head, the other shoulder. So if you look to the chart, it's a little bit harder to find. It's a little bit harder to find head and shoulders than others. So if you concentrate, yes, here is one shoulder and head, other shoulder, and here is the neckline. The price is broke, retesting, a little up, and then is really sell-off. Head and shoulders. Other kind of head and shoulders I'd like you to know, also from the chart. As you see, the price, head and shoulders, like inverted head and shoulders, but it's the same, it's head and shoulders. So it could be on the tops, it could be on the bottom, also head and shoulders. So like here, one shoulder, head, right shoulder, as you see. So neckline, price broke from this candle, and here we go. So I would like, I just love to show you, to show you this, this also. So now let's go quickly and where here. Okay. So I was making on this is the gold, by the way. This is the chart of the gold. I was writing on my group on Facebook that expecting the gold to visit 1,650 means this. So I expect the gold to visit 1,650. I think sooner or later it will visit this these levels. I think I put it. I think I put it on the where our page. I think. Yes. Here, do you see? Is everybody seeing here?
Yes, we see it. Yes, yes.
Good. So this is the gold question for the people. Is the gold visiting 1,650 level? With the drawing here. Okay. By the way, it was yesterday very nice. Do you see this? This is the euro dollar. Okay. I was right, waiting for the take profit number one. So if you look here, I don't know, you saw like this or not? Did everybody saw here? Okay, so here is the euro dollar, and we was writing the take profit one on the level of 55. This is the stop loss. The price will go up here and taking the first take profit. Yes, this is Fibonacci. So the price raising up from here, and I was saying to some group of mine that the price will visit the first take profit in 55 soon, and it was yesterday. This was yesterday, and today, as you see, the price is already arrived to the take profit number one. So it was a successful trade. Thanks God.
Successful trade.
So it was a nice trade, really.
But why did you expect it would arrive to one, the euro dollar?
Because why I expected, it's very nice question by Eleonora. Yeah, why I expect, because I I work on the euro
I
dollar.
did the investigation.
No, I work on the euro dollar from different, yani not only from the chart, but from the basic analyze, from the news, from the chart. I work a lot with some indicators with my work, and expecting the euro dollar, especially this time, very hard, really hard to expect any bears on this time, on this week. But I was expecting, because when I have a high expectation for the price, I always put it in on my group on the Facebook, so my friends can use it. It's for free, by the way. I don't take anything for it. So I told them yesterday that the euro will arrive to the levels here. It was almost something like 37 or 40 bips, and thanks God today is already arrived and more. So I was also putting stop take profit 2 here in case of taking the take profit 1. It's arrived to the take profit 1, but this is later on. Yani, we finish the course, we will work together. Of course, we work together, all together. Also with the demo, no problem. Yani, you can work on the demo. It doesn't matter you open a real account now. You can work on the demo with no problem. We have no problem for this. So guys, we already explained the MetaTrade. Anybody have any question on MetaTrade?
No, I don't think so.
No?
For this moment.
Okay. So okay, thank you. Okay, so we was not explaining this button, new order, right?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, so the new order, as you see, it's a new order. The first here is the symbol, what you choose. For example, on the time being, it's euro dollar. Okay, and here is the volume, which is most important thing, very, very important, the volume. It's my contract here. Do you know different kind of contract I told you about?
Yes, macro, mini.
Yes,
And
micro,
standard.
mini, and standard.
This is
So it was the
50
first.
cents for 1 pip.
No, 10 cent is a micro, $1
No, but
is
this
a
one,
mini.
0.5.
No, now, yani, let's do like this. Okay. So the micro is 10 cent, the mini is $1, and the standard is $10 per bit. Okay. So when I write, for example, a standard contract here, it have to be it have to be 1.0. It's a standard contract. It means every bib equal $10. Okay, it's a big contract, it's a big volume, so please take care, because sometimes when people knew a little bit, so they put 1.0, they think it's $1 per bib. 1.0, it's a standard contract, $10 per bib. If I want a mini contract, which is $1 per bib, I put 0.1. 0.1 is a mini contract, so it's the volume is $1 per bib. And if I need a micro, it's 0.01. So it's a micro contract. It's 10 cent per bib. Okay. If I need $5 per bib, for example, so it's 0.50. If I need $3 per bib, so it's 0.30. If I need $1.50 per bib, it's 0.15. It's $1.50. For example, so is it clear about the contract, about the volume?
Yes.
Good. Stop loss and take profit, I can put it after I open the trade, no problem. Or I can put it here. I see the level of the stop loss, I put it here, and the level of take profit, I put it here. So I have two ways to put the stop loss and the take profit. Here I write some comments, for example, any comments, whatever I need for the trade, if I need. And here it's instant execution. It means the order will start just right now. I mean, just I will push sell or buy and the order will start. You understand? So in case I push sell or buy, immediately, instant execution, it's mean immediately the trade will start. And we have here also the pending order. Pending order, it means that I will put order, for example, here, I know that the price, when the price will come here up, for example, here, the price will go down again. So I will put here an pending order on this place. Automatically, when the price raise to touch this place or arrive to this area or this place, 1 point, for example, 0.975, he will open me a selling contract. So I will sell the euro from this level. So I can wake up in the morning and the computer is already opening for me a trade and winning some money, I hope. So pending order is order that I will not do it just right now. I will do it later. When the price arrived in some area, I put my order on this area and so on. On the pending order here, we have 4 orders. Buy limit, sell limit, buy stop, and sell stop. So to know the difference, because a lot of people don't know the difference or confusing about these orders. So to know the difference between these orders, here we are. Here's the 4 orders we have. Buy stop, buy limit, sell stop, sell limit. What does it mean? Each order. Okay, to understand this order and to put in your mind, you have to know the difference between the order stop and the order limit. Stop, it means the price will go on the same trend. For example, if the price is up, he will continue up. If the price down, he will continue down. Stop. So buy stop means I will put here a buy stop order. It means the price will go up, up, up. When the price arrive this area, sure, he will continue. So I will get a buy order here, and it will called buy stop. Buy stop. Sell stop. So I put a sell stop here. The price coming down, 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 down. When the price arrive here, sure, the price will continue down. So I will put a selling order here. So the price going down, he will continue down. So I put here sell stop. So buy stop, continue up, sell stop, continue down. buy limit. It's mean the price or the order limit, the price will change the direction. Going down, then he go up. Limit. So buy limit. I put a buy limit down here. So when the price coming down to this area, sure, the price will raise up from here. So I put here order buy limit. And the same, sell limit. When the price arrived on this area, up on the top, the price is raising, raising, raising. When it become here, when the price arrived to this area, sure, the price will change the direction and going down. Limit. So I put here sell limit. Do we understand the difference between these four orders?
Yes.
Good.
Just one question. Usually, when you make a sell limit, it's because the price is higher in sell, yes?
One more time. When I make what?
When you make the sell limit, it's because you find the
sell limit,
sell
this
limit.
order.
Yeah, it's also because you find also the price that is higher in sale.
Yes, so I sell the price from the highest point here because I know that the price will come here and change direction down. So I put sell limit. I cannot put sell stop because sell stop I put it down. You understand what I mean?
Yeah.
Good.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay. So this is the new order, and all the orders, all the things here we already explained. So next time, guys, we will have also interesting lesson. Next time we will have the Fibonacci retracement, and we will have some let's say work on the chart, okay, with the Fibonacci retracements. So until now, we have some homework for today. So please make for me all the price actions we take today: pricing channel and rectangle, triangle, double top and double bottom, hidden shoulders. If you will find, it will be okay. It will be good. I think that's all. That's all what we take for today. That's all. So yes. So I will see you tomorrow. I will be waiting for your homework, and that's all. So that's all for today. Thank you for being with me today, and
thank you so much.
Yeah, you're welcome anytime, and I'm waiting for you tomorrow. And please do the homework. It's very, very, very important for me to see this because I have to be sure that you understand and understood all what we take, so I can carry on. I can continue for the next lessons.
Okay, thank you very much.
Okay, okay, guys.
Can I ask you one question?
What about what?
Can I ask you, sorry, just one question?
Tell me one more time. I can't hear you good.
Can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you. Yes.
Okay, I wanted to ask you the other trade that you were looking with the gold. Did you expect that it will go on or not?
For the gold.
Yeah.
Okay. No, for the gold, I expect it will go down to 160.50. 1650, and maybe not soon, because yesterday and today was a little bit bad news. No, good news for the dollar, and it will be a little bit make the gold going back. Like, for example, here I put the news for today, that the gold is going away from 8 years highest. So this is not my news, this is a news of FX. Yani. Also I expect that the gold will arrive or will visit the levels of 1650. So this is my expectation for the gold. I don't trade
Because
on
I
the
was
gold normally. I find it high risky. So I trade very, very, very little money. So for me, if the gold is going opposite my trade, I mean, if I sell and he go up, I can handle, for example, 200, 300 bib. You understand what I mean? So
okay.
I won't tell you that I am a little bit, or I am a swinger. I am not a scalper. You know the difference between?
No.
Okay, scalping is a short trade, and swing is a long trade. I can stay on my trade 1 month,